How to use defibrillators. If you have found a casualty, you should first perform a primary survey and immediately call 999 or 112 from your mobile. If you are by yourself, use the hands-free speaker on your phone so that you can begin CPR. Do not leave a casualty for a defibrillator yourself. A helper should get it, or the ambulance will bring one. Hi there, Michael speaking. I'm a qualified first aid professional and I will be swiftly teaching you how to use the iPAD SP1 defibrillator today. When the helper returns with the defibrillator, ask for it to be switched on and to take the pads out from the slot on the back of the defibrillator. Before attaching the pads, you must remove or cut clothing to get the casualty's bare chest and wipe away any sweat on the torso with a cloth or a piece of clothing. At the same time, the defibrillator will give you voice prompts on what to do, such as attach the pad to the casualty's chest, removing the backing paper, apply the pads into the position shown. The first pad should be on the upper right side below the collarbone. The second pad should be on the casualty's left side below the armpit. The defibrillator will analyse the heart's rhythm, stop CPR and make sure no one is touching the casualty. If the defibrillator tells you a shock is needed, stand back and get ready to press the shock button. The voice prompts will tell you when. After the shock, the defibrillator will tell you to continue CPR for 2 minutes. If the defibrillator says no shock is needed, continue with CPR for a further 2 minutes before the defibrillator reanalyzes. If the casualty shows signs of becoming responsive, such as opening eyes, coughing, speaking, or start breathing normally, put them in the recovery position. Leave the defibrillator attached, monitor their response, and prepare to give CPR again if necessary.